This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, Englishman here. Massive storm last night, so I thought I'd come over to this place. It's called Chadwick Lakes. Not actually lakes, but they're reservoirs built by a British engineer in the 19th century. They come all the way down from the Mtarfa and Rabat, from the streams, to Salina Bay, where the salt pits are. Really nice area. Don't come in the summer, waste of time, but the winter, beautiful. Lots of bird life, beautiful plants. Anyway, we're going to do some shorts in the week. This is the idea of this. We get the live stream on Friday, you get the premiere on Sunday about 10:30, and in the week I'll try and filter something in small, maybe up to 10 minutes. This should be really impressive because we had rain all night. The storm was terrific, lightning and God knows what. I slept through most of it, but anyway, let's have a walk around, see what it is. Mud everywhere, you can see. So if I'm slipping and sliding, don't blame me. Let's have a look. You can see it's really full. Normally it's not up this full. And the water, it's not normally this brown because there's a lot of mud bringing it up from the top there. Here, look. Very, very muddy. As you can see out here, beautiful bird life. Oh, this is too much mud here. The rain was for about 8 hours, so you can imagine the water must have run down here and overflowed. Look at these helicopters, we used to call them. They're so fast you're going to miss them though. Maybe we'll catch one a bit further along here. Prickly pears here, look, cactus. They're enormous, they're about 9 foot high. There's the prickly pear I showed you in the last video. I'm slipping a little bit here. How full it is. It's flowing all the way down to Salina Bay. A little bit further down, they're like different reservoirs to hold the water back for the farmers. When the British were here, Mr. Oswald Chadwick, Sir Oswald Chadwick to be exact, he decided to hold the water back. It used to be flowing so fast down to the sea. He tried to help the farmers, and in fact it was very impressive in that day, the engineering behind it. These are lovely, these grass, pampas grass we call it there. Somebody's coming down, let's go a little bit back. Let him pass. It's a very narrow road. Let's take a shortcut here. I think this is going to Mtarfa. Lot of prickly pears here. Look at this bunch here. I was going to do a taste test of a prickly pear, but I hate them so. Somebody asked me in the video do some taste tests. I'm planning it out. There's some snacks. Ooh, that one really came across me. You can't catch them on video, they're so fast. Put it in the link below if you know what they're called. We call them helicopters when we were kids. Yeah, this is really flowing very strong over here. If I'm not mistaken, there's 5 of these. They hold the water back and they let it through very slowly. Last time I came, there was this kid who was walking across here. You're not going to catch me walking across. Not as powerful as I thought it was going to be. Look at the countryside here, guys. Rural Malta. You can go to. We're on the way from Rabat. You see the signpost. If you get to Rabat, follow the signs down to Mtarfa on the left-hand side. You'll see Chadwick Lakes. This goes off now to Salina Bay, to the sea. You can see the amount of rubbish is brought down. This is a bridge and it's completely up, full up here. The flow comes mostly when it's raining, so it's slowed down a little bit from last night. It's about 12, 11 o'clock now. Hope you're enjoying it, guys. We're up to the upper area now and this doesn't look very good. How are we going to get past here? I can go past this tree probably. If you're watching Gordon, we don't have any problems with snakes here. Any cobra. There we are, we got round it. It's very muddy here. If I sink down, you'll never see Englishman again. Okay, we got round it. I think this is the worst hit when the rain comes. You can see the walls, they fall down here. In fact, that one I just showed you a little bit back, they put netting on now on the dry walls. Most of this vegetation taken over. There's a small bridge here. This I showed you before, this they use for the cane of the Maltese blinds. Asira they call it. They're sun blinds. Very expensive though. Got a little obstacle here. I can hear the water flowing from here. This one should be a bit more powerful, I think. This is I think the 4th dam going up. You can see a lot of the walls falling down here. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there. Chadwick Lakes, just a quickie with Englishman. Going to try and drop him in the middle of the week. Don't forget, we got the live on Friday. I'm going to Mosta, I think. And then I've got a secret for you coming on Sunday. Really beautiful views, weather permitting, because on and off storms at the moment. Don't forget to come over to Englishman. You need anything, drop me a line. Englishman in Malta on Facebook. We've got a great group, Holiday Malta. Loads of people. We're almost up to I forget the last count now. It's rising every day. It's really, really good. Share your photographs, any thoughts, any questions. If I don't know, maybe somebody might know there. There's a few expats from Australia, from Canada, all sorts of places. Okay, Quickie from Englishman. Bye for now. Take care. See you on Friday. Live stream, Master Scala. Bye.